Morning, guys. Decided to try out the 4K on the camera today. So we're gonna go on a short little hike right in the back doors of my apartment complex in San Diego. So yeah, see how this how the footage on this 4K looks. So it's a pretty easy hike. It's like mainly all like dirt roadish. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go down this path right here. There's a bridge over there. So we'll see if we could go under it to see if there's any water. So took a turn back from that canyon. Looks like heading down this way is more so the right way to get to that river crossing. So yeah, we'll check it out. This looks really amazing right now. So flip the camera around, going deeper into the park. Trying to see this San Diego River crossing trail. But I think I like this way. I think we're almost there because I can totally hear the water right now. So yeah, it'll be pretty awesome. Literally a river crossing. So past like a mini river. I'm still going to the main one. I can hear it. I think we're getting closer and closer. That is way too deep. I don't know if you can see it. I think the water is up to 4 feet deep. The top of that pole is six feet of depth. So there's no way we're crossing this. The cute little creek. Never even been here before, and I didn't even know that you could access this part of the river from here. So that's really cool. So that was the river crossing. Pretty cool. Alright, not something worth driving all the way out to San Diego for. But definitely if you're a local, it's a nice easy walk. I have to go all the way uphill, so that's gonna suck right now. But that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted a little workout because I skipped out on the gym today. Kind of felt like testing out the 4K video on here because I haven't recorded anything at all in 4K on the DJI Osmo Pocket. So hopefully these look great, and I will be posting better quality soon. Yeah.